Welcome to drvtrust.com. I am Dr. Hemant Kumar. What are blood glucose or blood sugar tests? Today we are going to discuss that. Now before we discuss blood glucose tests, let us first understand the significance of glucose in our body and how glucose levels are regulated in the body under normal circumstances. As you know, our body is like a giant factory and cells are the constituent units of this factory, and each cell in itself is a factory which is constantly functioning and producing different types of things for which they are designed. So each cell requires a fuel. Under normal circumstances, glucose is that fuel which is used by most cells of the body. In fact, brain cells exclusively utilize glucose only as their fuel and nothing else. So you can imagine that blood glucose or glucose in the blood performs a critical function. Now how is this blood glucose level regulated? You eat a meal, it contains sugars. Those sugars are broken down during digestion and get absorbed in the body. Glucose is one of the simplest forms of sugars that gets broken down into the body and gets absorbed into the bloodstream. So the blood level of glucose rises. In response to this rising level of blood glucose or blood sugar, body signals to the pancreas to release a hormone called insulin. It is this insulin which helps the entry of this glucose inside the cell. Imagine you are at a petrol station and you would fuel for your car. You have to lift the lid to the fuel tank for the fuel to be put inside the car. It is the same function that insulin provides. It opens the door to the cell, glucose goes inside. When enough glucose has gone inside, the door gets shut. Whatever is remaining beyond the threshold goes to the liver, gets stored as glycogen. When you are between meals, the body realizes that blood glucose is coming low. Pancreas secretes a hormone known as glucagon. Glucagon signals the liver to release glycogen, breaks it down to glucose. Glucose levels go up again. So there is a very finely tuned and well regulated mechanism which maintains nearly constant levels of glucose in the blood, because as I said, they are required to provide fuel for the entire body. Now let us come down to these various glucose tests and what do they signify. Fasting blood glucose or fasting sugar. Now fasting blood glucose, as the name signifies, is a test done to measure the glucose levels in the blood when you have fasted. So typically when this test is performed, the patient has fasted for anywhere between 8 to 10 hours. Generally this test is done after an overnight fasting. You've done your dinner, you wake up in the morning, this test gets done. Now what is the significance of a fasting blood glucose level? Fasting blood glucose level measures how effectively the body is able to maintain nearly constant levels of blood glucose. Because after you have eaten your meal and 8 hours have passed, the requirement of glucose would have gone up and down, and the body is required to maintain a near constant range. So this is what the fasting blood glucose level signifies. Now 80 to 100 milligrams per deciliter of blood sugar is what is considered in the normal range. Levels which are above 100 milligram and up to 124 milligrams per deciliter are considered in the pre-diabetic range. Levels of 125 and above are considered in the diabetic range. So basically they are signifying the reduced ability of the body to bring down glucose levels to the range in which they should. So this is about the fasting blood glucose levels. And fasting blood glucose is usually the first test that is done whenever the doctor suspects that a patient may be suffering from diabetes, or if somebody is being screened for diabetes. Fasting sugar levels are generally the first test that is performed. What is postprandial glucose or postprandial sugar test? Postprandial, as the name signifies, is the test which is done after you have eaten. Now, as we had just discussed, after you eat, about 10 minutes after you've eaten, blood glucose levels tend to begin to rise. At about an hour after you have eaten, the glucose levels in the blood are at their peak. Then insulin gets secreted and the blood glucose levels tend to steadily fall. So postprandial glucose test measures the ability of the body to bring down the glucose levels after a meal to the normal range. As you can imagine, if the postprandial glucose levels are elevated, they signify that something is wrong. Either insulin is not sufficiently produced or is not being effective to bring down the blood glucose levels to the desired levels. Postprandial blood glucose measurement is generally done after 2 hours of a meal. So generally what happens is, overnight you would fast, your fasting blood glucose is taken. The person or the lab will tell you, please eat something, have your breakfast. 2 hours after you have done your breakfast, a sample is taken that measures the postprandial glucose levels. While fasting glucose levels are generally used to diagnose diabetes, postprandial glucose test is used to measure how effective the management of diabetes is. Because most of the drugs which are medications which are given for diabetes management, they are relied on the ability to bring down the glucose levels to the desired levels. So if the medication or the therapy that you are being given is effective, then your PPG levels would be within the range. Hope you found these videos useful. For more such videos, please log on to drvitrust.com.